Now we see the Linshan LS200 glass thickness meter. The meter is the display method of the scale ruler. The upper row of the scales is used to indicate the thickness of the glass. Now test a single layer of glass. Put the meter flatly against the single pane glass surface. Press the red button on the meter to display the test results. Two red reflection beams will be seen on the scale. This is a single layer of glass. The thickness of the glass depends on the corresponding glass thickness scale. A corresponds to the 0 point, B corresponds to 10. The number corresponds to the B is the thickness of the glass. So the thickness of this glass is 10 mm because this is a single layer of glass. When testing a single layer of glass, there are two beams, and then test a piece of insulating glass. Put the meter flatly against the insulated glass surface. Press the red button. 4 red reflection beams will be seen on the scale. First, read the thickness of the first layer of glass. A corresponds to the 0 point, B corresponds to 4.5. The reading of the B corresponds on the glass thickness scale is the thickness of the first layer of glass. So the thickness of the first layer of glass is 4.5 mm. Distance between C and B on the airspace thickness scale is the thickness of airspace. The thickness of the air layer corresponds to the airspace thickness scale of the lower row. B corresponds to 2, C corresponds to 3. So the thickness of airspace is 3 minus 2, 1 mm. Look at the thickness of the second layer of glass. Distance between D and C is the thickness of second layer glass. C corresponds to 6, D corresponds to 11 on the glass thickness. So the thickness of second layer of glass is 11 minus 6, 5 mm. The single layer of glass just tested shows 2 red reflection beams and 4 red reflection beams when we test double layers of insulating glass. You can release the red button after the test is completed. The above is the operation demonstration of LS200 glass thickness meter.